Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear audience, today video topic is quotes for 14 to 15 August, Independence Day. Feel free to use these quotes in your speeches, messages, or posts to celebrate 14 to 15 August, Independence Day. Quote number 1. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Mahatma Gandhi. Number 2. Liberty is the lifeblood of nations, and security is the assurance of their futures. Unknown person. Number 3. The nation is not just a group of people but a group of people with a common goal. Qaid-e-Azam Rahmatullah Alayh. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The next quote number 4. We must work together to build a nation that is just, equitable and prosperous for all. Unknown. Number 5. The creation of Pakistan is a result of the Muslims' desire to live according to their own cultural, religious and social values. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Number 6. Pakistan was created to make Muslims a dominant force in the subcontinent. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah Rahmatullah Alayh. The next quote is quote number 7. Let us work together to make Pakistan a country where everyone has access to quality education, healthcare and equal opportunities. Unknown person. Number 8. The future of Pakistan is in our hands. Let us work together to build a brighter future. Unknown. The next quote number 9. We must learn from our past, live the present, and work towards a better future. Unknown. Quote number 10. Pakistan Zindabad, a nation built on hope, resilience, and determination. Unknown. Number 11. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela. The next, number 12. Pakistan is a country built on the sacrifices of its people. Unknown. Number 13. Independence is not a gift, it's a responsibility. Unknown. Number 14. We are the custodian of Pakistan's future. Let us work together to build a better tomorrow. Unknown. Number 15. Pakistan's independence is a symbol of hope, freedom and self-determination. Unknown. Number 16. Let us celebrate our independence with pride, passion and a commitment to progress. Unknown. The next quote 17. The spirit of independence is the spirit of freedom, justice and equality. Unknown. Number 18. Pakistan's future belongs to its people. Let us work together to shape it. Unknown. Number 19. Independence is not just a day, it's a way of life. Unknown. Number 20. Let us honor our national heroes by building a Pakistan they would be proud of. Unknown. Feel free to use these quotes to express your thoughts and feelings about Pakistan's Independence Day. Pakistan Zindabad. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. And do you like this video? Please like and share this video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.